Let's find how Quizlet is used. First, you need to create a study set. Click. Then you can see two columns. You can type in the words, or you can simply import it from other files. In this way, I will copy the content in my Excel and click Import and paste. And it's done. You just need to click Import Terms and all the words will be rearranged into the columns. Now you can see the words all listed here in 120 words. On the right you can see the buttons. You can add pictures and voices to help students remember the content. And on the left side you can see the language. You can choose any language in correspondence to the language you typed in. In this way I will choose English. And the right side I will choose Chinese, of course. It will help you to insert pronunciations automatically. And the last thing you need to do is type in the title of your study set and choose who can see your study set. And click Create. Then your new study set is created. Let's see more function. The first function is flashcards. That's the function I used most when I was in class to demonstrate it to my students. You can ask students what does word mean, then show them the correct answer. And those flashcards can be shuffled. In fact, the first word I typed in was corrosion, but after I shuffled cards, the first word changed. Some students remember words by sequence. They can prevent that. And you can also mark the words you don't remember clearly and find the words later in the star column to reveal the words. And the second function is learn. It's another way to help you with your written English. The next function is speller. This means you listen to what you have heard and write the word down. For example, I heard spacious, so I write spacious, spacious. And then we jump to the next function called scatter. It's like a matching game. When you start the game, you find the word with the Chinese meaning and the English words as soon as possible. Sometimes I ask students to finish the game within 20 or even 15 seconds to make sure they're familiar with the words. Sometimes in class, I will let students compete time and they all love this game. The next function is called race. When you start playing, you can see the Chinese meaning appearing on the screen. And this means you have to spell the word as soon as possible. If you do not know the word or you can't spell correctly, it doesn't matter. They will show you the correct answer, so don't worry. When you click the button Test, all the tests will be formed automatically. As you can see in this function, they got 4 types of question: written, matching, multiple choice, and true or false. You can either choose English or Chinese or both language to be tested. And you can choose to test 20 words or all the words. And then when you click Create New Test, a new quiz is established. As you can see, there are written questions, matching questions, multiple choice, and of course, true or false. They're all created automatically with the information you imported earlier. Sometimes teachers are worried that students may copy the answer from each other, but with this function you can just click Create New Test. A new test will be created. That's quite easy. And later you can just print test. Okay, then let's go back. When you create a lot of sets, you can arrange into different classes. When you click this class, for example, you can see all the sets arranged here. And students can also sign up in this class, and we accept it. They can see all the content they need to review.